on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. As you guys could tell, earlier this morning, I was actually getting the car all washed up. It definitely needed it. So today's gonna be sort of more laid back. If you guys have watched the channel before, you might have seen the video that I made celebrating National 86 Day with my GR86. In that video, I actually attended like a little cruise and car meet with my 86. I actually met the host of that meet, and his name is Ryan. He's actually hosting another car meet today, which is for all 86 BRZs and FRSs, just like the previous one. I actually posted about it on my story, so if you guys are already following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go hit that follow button so you can stay up to date with everything that I got going on with my 86 or videos that I plan to make with it as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the car pulled back out of the garage again and let it start up and warm up for a little bit. That way we can go out to the car meet. So as you can tell, we just got to the meet. It's a pretty good turnout so far. I'm gonna go ahead and get out here in a second and get some videos for you guys of all the different 86s, BRZs, and FRSs that showed up. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut into the cinematics. Guys, I've never sat in like harnesses or anything like that.
You don't get an opportunity.
This thing's awesome, man. This thing is beautiful. Holy crap. Yeah, no, man. I don't want to like sit on it or nothing. Oh, appreciate it. Man, wow. What a setup, you guys. This thing's like, everything in here is pretty much changed.
Yeah, this is all white. Just that with the vents in the hood, and the motor was built.
I'm in shock right now. This thing is beautiful, you guys. Look at this.
Over 600. Wow.
How much did you say it pushed?
600.
Wow, holy crap. Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Oh, it's fully. Yeah.
I don't know how to get out of this thing.
Yeah, it's challenging. I usually take the steering wheel off.
I appreciate you letting me sit in it, man. Thank you so much. If you guys are curious what everything is done to this, that man's got structural integrity on this car right now. He's standing on the wing, no way. No shot, bro. That's crazy. Oh my God, you guys see that? Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, so it was a pretty great turnout. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, maybe want to see me host my very own meet sometime, let me know down in the comments below. If you did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new. That way you guys can stay up to date on all the content that I make just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.